I did want to share one little neat Lent tradition that we've done pretty much as long as we've been married. My wife makes this every year. We call it our Lent Chain, and she makes one link for every day of Lent, and they are color coded. So on days when there is some sort of a feast day, tomorrow is the feast of Saint Felicity and Perpetua, and Felicity is one of our kids. So we recognize our kids' feast days as well as birthdays. This is my wife's birthday down here. We'll put a little white ring on the inside of the purple ring. And then as you move along, you'll get to things. So there's like a solid white ring. There's actually two of them right here, and then the third one over here. These are other solemnities we mentioned in class today. Let's see, this would be the 19th, which is the feast of Saint Benedict, which is the feast of Saint Joseph. This would be the 21st, which is the feast of Benedict. So I think I said that wrong, I guess. And then this would be the solemnity of the Annunciation on the 25th. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then that leads us to this pink one here, which is Laetare Sunday, which is kind of like the Gaudete Sunday, or the pink Sunday in Advent. And then that leads us on this long little stretch down here, which eventually gets us to this red one, which is Palm Sunday. And that leads us into Holy Week, where we have Holy Thursday. This is somebody's, this is my son Keifa's birthday. This is Holy Thursday right here. This is Good Friday, and then Holy Saturday. And we tear off one chain every day, so it's always neat for our kids to get a chance to see how the season of Lent, how long it is initially, and then how it gets shorter and shorter. And it's a way for them to kind of count down the days. So one little way to have some liturgical living. And my wife always does a wonderful job, very thoughtful job, putting this chain together every year. So I figured I would share it with you guys.